Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech M220. In this video we'll check if this mouse supports Logitech Option Plus. In order to check it, let's go to logitech.com and find Option Plus. Download it for Windows 10 or later and tap Save. Now install the app. Launch it. And as you can see, this mouse is supported by app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.